Hey everyone, it's Miss Marisa from the Maumelle Library. I'm back to do another quick program with you guys. Today we are going to make a simple, easy dog treat. I figured since most of us are home with our pets, I could do a simple dog treat video for you. That way if you run out of treats and you don't want to make a run to the pet store or order online, if you're running to the grocery store, you can grab these ingredients, or you might have them at home in your cabinet. Let me introduce you guys to my little helpers today. I have my 1-year-old German Shepherd, Maggie, and then we have my 3-year-old Siberian Husky, Molly, and then their best friend came over today, and we have 4-year-old Acalia, who's also Siberian Husky. So hopefully they're quiet enough for you while I make the treats today. The first ingredient you are going to need is 1 cup of pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, or mashed sweet potato. Okay. The next ingredient is you're gonna need some either old-fashioned oats or rolled oats. It doesn't matter. And you're gonna need 3 cups of that, but you're going to separate it with a 1/2 cup in one bowl, because we're gonna use that later, and then 2 1/2 cups in another bowl. And then the last ingredient that every dog loves is peanut butter, and you're gonna want to get 1/4 cup of peanut butter for this recipe. The other thing you're going to need to make this recipe is a bowl to mix everything in, and then you can either form the dog cookies, you roll them into balls, and you can either use your hands, or if you have cookie scoops, that's what I'll be using to form the dog treat. So let me give them a little taste of pumpkin and see how they like it all by itself. They have a lot of pumpkin in their dog treat, so they should like it. Molly, you want some pumpkin? Oh, Maggie's joining in. Oh. Okay, let's see what Acalia thinks. Acalia, you want some pumpkin? Give him a little bit of oats. Oh, yes. Little sister always has to get stuff first. Okay. Think those were a crowd pleaser? Acalia, what do you think? Maggie, stop stealing. Acalia's not too sure about these oats. Maybe once we put it with some pumpkin and peanut butter, the peanut butter. And let me tell you, I actually have a dog who doesn't like peanut butter that much. So we'll see if my stubborn husky will take some peanut butter today. Yeah, that's what I thought. Now this one, obsessed. Can't get enough of it. Yeah. And let's see how their best friend likes their peanut butter. Yeah, you like the peanut butter? No? Okay, we'll just give it to the puppy. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You're just going to take your 2 1/2 cups of oats and put those in your mixing bowl. And then you're going to take your 1 cup of either mashed pumpkin or mashed sweet potato and put that in. And make sure you get all that, because you might have to grab a spatula to do that. And then you're gonna add in the peanut butter in your bowl. And you can either mix this by spoon, or if you have a mixer, you can also mix with that as well. Everything in my bowl. You're just gonna go ahead and mix all this together. You want to make sure that the dough is firm and not sticky. If the dough is a little crumbly, you can always add a splash of unsweetened coconut milk or water. My dough is all mixed up, so now I'm gonna just chill it in the refrigerator for about an hour, so the dough's a little firmer and it's easier to work with. It's been 1 hour. It's time to take our dog treats out of the fridge. I'm just gonna lay them all on a baking sheet that I just put parchment paper on, just to lay them out. So I got my cookie scoop, and you can make them as big or as small as you need to. My dogs are pretty big. I'm just gonna make different sizes of treats. So you're just gonna, here's your cookie scooper, and get a good bit right there and squeeze it out. I'm just gonna roll it a little bit to form it, and then I'm just going to roll it a little bit in the oats to lightly toss them. And that's it. That's what you're gonna do for the whole rest of the dough. Okay, that is it. I have rolled them all out and rolled them in the oats, and that's it. That is how you make peanut butter dog cookies using just 3 ingredients. So these can be stored in an airtight container for about 1 to 2 weeks. First up, we have Maggie. She's gonna taste test these cookies and see what they think. Maggie, can you sit? Good girl. There you go. I think it is a winner. Is that good? Yeah. Do you want it? Sit. Good. Sit. Akelia, where'd it go? Sit. Good girl. There you go. Okay, let's see what special guest Mace thinks. You ready? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing my dogs. Put in the comments below if you make this treat, or you just want to put your pictures of your pets down there. Hope you guys enjoyed making these peanut butter dog cookies using only 3 ingredients. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.